Hey, it's your girl Bree Chanel, and I am back. So welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare. I've been gone for a while. Life has been lifing. I'm just gonna give you a little synopsis of the life been lifing situation. Lost my job, lost my car because my car decided it didn't want to work for me no more. And I've been literally just trying to figure life out since then. So a part of that is getting back into my vlogs because that kind of makes me feel good to like kind of share my story and kind of take you guys on my journey, and hopefully I can get back on my Zoom and get to that bag. Currently we're saying before I was really interrupted by you have no more storage. Okay, iPhone, we get it. All right, so currently I'm on my way to get my pedicure. Yes, we get pedicures in the fall and the winter. Me, I'm a dancer, so that's kind of why. And you never know when you got to bring out the toes. So, and plus, it's just self-care, baby. Self-care, self-love, self-care. So just stopped and got me acai bowl. If y'all follow me on TikTok, y'all know these are my fave. So this is my breakfast, lunch, brunch, whatever you want to call it. So we'll start with this. Sorry. And then we'll head over to get my pedicure. We have made it to the salon. Tomorrow with me. But it's time to go get this much needed self-care pedicure. All right, so I didn't record much when I was getting my pedicure because that time is literally me time. Like I don't even really be wanting to bring out the camera for real. It's giving cute and classy. I went for a French, but of course not white French because I'm different. I don't be trying to do the same thing. Anyway, about my business, right? I need to learn about my business. But currently getting ready for this car wash because my car is so dirty. My car is so dirty, it looks gray, and I have a black car. So be fucking for real.
Get really finely fast 300 megabit Xfinity.
Clean that baby, clean. All right, it is Saturday morning, and I am bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. I just want to say that. But I'm getting ready to go teach my babies. They're not babies. They're my babies. But I'm going to go teach my babies. So that's where we're headed now, to the studio, to have a great Saturday morning with the girls. So stay tuned. Oh, that sun is bright. I'm going to, yeah. We'll see you in the studio. This hoe, I should have recorded my YouTube. What day was this? I don't remember. But I told her, and now all of a sudden she want to record her YouTube. Well, this is actually going to go on YouTube, and you're going to see that I've been doing this. What are you saying? Are you saying actually? Wild Whip. Anyway, since she want to interrupt. Bye. Oh, look. Ah! Dance class is over, and I'm getting ready to prepare. I look like real. I'm getting ready. I look real rough. Let's say that. But you want to be here? You want to be here so bad?
I just wanted to look.
I'm getting ready to prepare to go to Walmart to get a couple of things for my order that I have, my cupcake order, because I am a baker. So I'm gonna take y'all in the store with me while we shop. All right, time to go check out. Yo, my edges is struggling and my lips is dry.
It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen a hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, cause the girl I wanna meet up. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper. Spit it so she get it, that she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Oh, what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, yeah. Excuse me, oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh. Are you trying to leave?